don't study.
It's for losers. Like that.
Would, Keisha.
Go on. Anyways, I found a video that's going to help us with the ions. It's called Airplane Chemistry Edition. Let's see it. Why can't I understand that sign I didn't see in? I could really use some help right now, help right now, help right now. Why can't I understand that sign I didn't see in? I could really use some help right now, help right now, help right now.
Nitrate.
Oh, oh, oh.
NO3 negative. Nitrate.
Oh,
Dead. NO3 negative. He's dead.
yeah, let's pretend like it's acetate, like I'm learning C2H3O2, yeah. Trying to get the polyatomic ions out of the way, hoping for a carbonate to reuse CO3 negative 2. Now let's pretend like ions have a place, and when the sulfate drops, all the ions go insane. Okay, and everybody knows SO4 negative 2 is sulfate, and everywhere chloride goes, ClO4 negative goes. Oh yeah, and phosphate just dropped, PO4 negative 4, the bicarbonate goes with HCO negative 3, yeah. Bromate in the spring and BrO3 negative in the fall, okay, and then a world tour just to drop it all off. Let's pretend like they called me the Illuminate, selling out arenas with ALO2 negative, and everyone loved me and no one ever hated. Let's try to use imagination.
I wanna be free. I wanna just.
You only add
C-A-D-I-L-L-A-C, bitch. Can't see me through my tints. I'm riding real slow, and my paint wet, dripping, shining like my 24s. I don't got 24s, but I'm on those roads. That's those big white walls. Round them 100 spokes. Old school like old English in that brown paper bag. I'm rolling in that same whip that my granddad had. Damn, y'all mad. 30K on the caddy, now how backpack rap is that?
I got that off-black Cadillac, midnight drive. Got that gas pedal lean back, taking my time. I'm rolling out, roof up, flitting in sky. I shine. The city never looks so bright.
Man, I'm lounging in some shit Bernie Mac would have been prouder. Looking down from heaven like Diana, stylish, smiling. Don't pay attention to the mileage. Can I hit the freeway illegally going 120? Easy, we've been in and out of the